Guys, this is the 7-decade resistance board. So we got 3 ways of interfacing to this guy. We got a 2-pin terminal block. We got 2 4mm banana jacks and 2 pins. That's a header, about 0.1 inch pitch. So you got 3 ways to interface. On the ranges that you are not using, you need to have switch 10 on. So an example, say you want 3 kilo ohms. So on the 1 meg ohm, you can see I have it on. 100 kilo ohm, I have it on. At 10 kilo ohm, I have it on. But since we want 3 kilo ohms, we need to turn off switch 10 on the 1 kilo ohm range. This is a bypass switch basically. So you gotta turn that off, and we gotta turn on the 3 kilo ohms. Turn that on. There's 3 kilo ohms. We gotta go to the next range, 100 ohms. Switch 10 needs to be on. At 10 ohms, switch 10 needs to be on. The 1 ohm, the 1 needs to be on. The 10 needs to be on. So for this right here, we'll give you 3 kilo ohms. So say you want 10 kilo ohms. Okay, well, we'll turn off the 3. You gotta turn on the switch 10. It's the bypass for that range. We gotta turn off the switch 10 for the 10 kilo ohm range, and then just turn on the 1. And that will give you 10 kilo ohm. Thanks.